Hello YouTube, this is Alfred Bonner for the appeal video. Typically this is how we would do a video, how I do my videos. I think there was a mistake made. I was demonetized. I waited the 3 months and then they said there was deceptive behavior going on. So as you can see, I have the URL of the channel and of the video. This is normally a video of how we would do how I would do something. I say we because I usually do the videos with my wife. It's May 22nd and Grogu and Mando opened up. We're at the theater, not much going on. Nobody dressed up as Star Wars. I would be reporting something like that. We're up at the AMC Bradenton, which we do very similar videos. We've done a couple like this, showing the outside of the theater. I just want to show you the process of my videos. If you keep watching the video, it's going to be under 5 minutes. This is a nice theater, one of my favorite theaters to come to. I always say that there should be a red carpet here. And this is typically our process. I'll show you when how I upload it and stuff like that, how I do a video. I'll show you, I usually do vidIQ. All the proceeds to our channel go to the Waffles Foundation. It's a certified 501c3. Our son passed away in 2019 in Orlando. And all the proceeds go to children's music in America. We support many schools, including the Nubian Conservatory in Brooklyn, and also many across the country. You could look up our website, Waffles Foundation, www.wafflesfoundation.org, and just continuing the process here. This channel has been very important to me since my son passed away. It's always been important, but since 2019, I have the channel since 2016. This is real therapy for me. You know, Matthew was our only child, Carrie and I, and you know, he's a big part of our life, and doing the videos means a lot to me. And even though, you know, making a lot of money on YouTube is not easy, we really have put a lot of effort into it with over 1,000 videos. And you know, maybe we've made a mistake with reuse content. We're not editors, we're not whatever. And sometimes, you know, we put stuff on for my son's channel, but you know, we're learning as we go. And we have a lot of fans. If you look at the comments on our page, we've done a lot of good things. A lot of people love our channel, and our subscribers are growing as time goes on. So we'd really appreciate it if you could remonetize the channel. I mean, we're good people. Our parents fought, you know, for America. We try to do the right thing, you know, all the time. Like I said, all the money goes to kids' music in America. And we'd really appreciate it if you could remonetize the channel. So stay tuned and I'll show you my quick process. So I record all my videos on my iPhone 6 and then I use a thing called Video Cam, which is an app that I got from internet, obviously. So it's a picture of it right here. And with that, I could add GIFs, or I could add photographs. So most recently, I think around January, I added what's called vidIQ. So my most recent video, one of them, the one with Steven Tyler, you can see it right here. You can do pictures on this, like you could do like the enhanced thumbnails. It does like the captions. It uploads the you know, the keywords. As you can see, as of the 22nd, 65 on the subscribers. I always get a lot of positive comments. Looking super spiffy in the picture out. Always good to hear about nice people, nice rock stars. Me and my wife are glad to see you back. Really missed you. You know, we took a little vacation. This one talks about my son Matt, who passed away. Sorry for your loss. It's beautiful to see the way you're carrying his memory. And that's why the channel is so important for us. And these are some of my most recent subscribers. Who's ever watching this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could remonetize our channel. We do the best we can. We, you know, like I said, we try to do our best. We always do our best. We're always honest. We don't want to, you know, I met Adam the Woo, you know, in Celebration where we used to live. It's very important for us to have the channel. It means a lot to a lot of people, and the money, like I said, goes toward, you know, the children of America. We donate all of it to that cause, and just to keep my son's memory alive and to keep good things happening. So please reinstate our channel. We'd really appreciate it, and whatever you need us to do, we're happy to do to comply, and we appreciate your time.